What you need to do is to download the Scan Documents application and click on Open. After that you should wait for the app to load. This will be your main screen. In this icon choose the camera symbol and choose while the app is in use. Click on this symbol and you will have your photo. Now you have your scanned document. Click on Turn Right or Left or click on Retake Photograph. Now click on the green arrow. Now click on Normal Lighter, Magic Color, 2.0 Low Light. Here you can change the name. Wait for it to load and you will have your picture on your mobile. Here you can add another scanner. In this symbol you can put a ruler to guide you. In this symbol you can turn on the flashlight in case of low light. In this icon you can find the settings of your application, such as sound on and vibration off. You can also choose the photo from your gallery. And from the application we cut it. Now you will have it on your mobile. Click on it and have it in PDF. Then click on Done.